Hello friends, hello fabricators, fitters, welders. In today's video, we are talking about how to calculate MS plate weight. MS means mild steel plate weight. Suppose if you have 10 mm thickness plate, then how you will be calculate the weight of this plate. Let's take some measurement. 400 mm by 400 mm plate and 10 mm thickness. Here is one formula to calculate the plate's weight, friends. You have to take 10 mm into 7.85. Look at this value very careful. 7.85. Then you have to calculate 10 in thickness into 7.85. Thickness is 10 into 7.85. This is the weight of 1 meter by 1 meter plate. Now you get the 1 meter by 1 meter plate value 78 kg, 0.5 kg. So friends, you have to find 400 mm by 400 mm plate weight. Then you have to 0.400 into 0.400 into 78.5 kg. You will be find 400 by 400 10 mm thickness plate's weight. Let's calculate 0.400 into 0.400, 0.16 into 78.5. Your each plate weight will be 12.56. 10 mm thickness, 400 by 400. Each plate weight will be 12.56 kg.